guys, it's Deeki and welcome back to another iMovie tutorial. On today's agenda, I'm going to be talking a bit about titles in iMovie, like how to use them and some of my favorite titles to use. So let's get started with the video. If you don't know the basics of iMovie, then please go watch my first 6 iMovie tutorials, and those should get you all caught up on what you need to know. So to start us off, what's a title? A title is where we select text to pop up on our screen. For example, in our video, let's say we want the words hello to pop up. We would add a title for those words to show up on our video. To select a title, we're going to go over here to the Titles tab, and we have this huge array of all these cool different titles that we can drag out. I'll be showing you some of my favorite titles to use. iMovie doesn't have the best preset title options, but in a future video, I'll be showing you how to make your own titles and custom make them so that they're perfect for you. One of the titles that you see a lot of people using is called Standard. I'm going to drag it out and I'll show you how it looks. See, it sort of just pops up and that's cool. Now we can edit the text in the title and the font and the color and all that jazz. To do this, we're going to click on that little T button, and then we can change all of the different options. So I want it to say hello, and I want that to say hello a bit smaller. If you don't want any text, you can just delete that. I don't want any text in my subtitle, so I'm just going to delete that. Now here's how it looks. Pretty cool. We can change the size, the color, we can add an outline, we can make it italic, and we can bold it. We have so many options. We can also edit the formatting, but I want it centered. To select a font, we're going to go to that drop-down menu, and there's a whole lot of fonts that we can choose from. We can also click on Show Fonts to have even more fonts pop up. Look at that. We can even search for them and look at them based on different filters. Now, if you'd like to get your own fonts, we're going to open up a new tab in our browser, and we're going to go to dafont.com. Here we have a lot of cool font options that we can download and then upload onto iMovie. I like how Birdlove looks, so I'm going to download it, and it saves it to my computer. So the way we upload our font onto iMovie is click on the drop-down menu like I explained before, then we go to Show Fonts, and then click on this drop-down menu, and go to Manage Fonts. Now we can click on the plus button and we have the option to upload a new font. And it's uploaded onto here. Now if we search for the font, we'll be able to add it. Okay, so now that we spoke a lot about fonts and how to edit our text, I want to go into detail about a few more titles. Here's how line looks. As you can see, there's a line that separates the heading and the subheading, and then it just fades to black. That's pretty cool. What I love about iMovie is that you can have all these different title options, but in different places on the screen. For example, line lower third has the exact same effect as the line effect, except it happens in the bottom right-hand corner. So I'm just going to be dragging out a few more different titles so you can see how they look. Now, the scroll and credits title effect is really cool to add at the end of a video because it's easy to give credit to those who were involved in the video. And the far, far away title effect is pretty cool because it's a play on Star Wars. You can also drag out a title on top of a video or picture. Here's an example. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it informative, make sure to leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Make sure to keep on eating donuts and be looking for more content coming soon.